Hi, it's Noasha. I ruined my deadline a bit, and this redraw was supposed to be done at the end of May, but there were exams and stuff, and then I just forgot. But eventually, I did it, and that's what matters, right? So I have a few things that I already don't like in this painting, and some people even say that the previous one is better. I can see where they're coming from. There's just something off about rendering, and this composition is not the best, and maybe now, as opposed to previous artworks, it's too bright. Overall, I had a very hard time drawing this, and I'm pretty sure it's because this year I moved more into traditional art. I work on my sketchbooks a lot more, and I have fun. But because of that, I totally forgot all the steps for drawing in digital. But I think that might be a good thing because now I have the possibility to find the best and the fastest way to draw a new style without struggling to adapt it to an already existing style. So, to summarize, this year's artwork looks wonky because my process in drawing became a mess. But look at the sketch! I tried approaching digital art as traditional, and isn't she cute? I really like that style. And I created almost my own pencil brush, and I think I might be onto something. But regardless of all I said before, I still like this artwork. I think that the lighting got better, it's less smudgy, and the colors are much better. And the overall time it took me is actually shocking. It's under 10 hours, I think like 9:50. I think the previous one is 11 to 13 hours. So there is an improvement. I see it, but just other things are off. Also, maybe it's because I tried to copy my previous artwork instead of just drawing what I feel and want to draw and what looks better. Also, watching this speed paint again, I can say that this drawing looked much better before I started rendering it, and that says a lot. And I think it supports my theory that it looks bad because my process became messy. But I think that's all I wanted to say, so you know what to do. Like, subscribe and stuff. Just enjoy the rest of the speed paint. See you in the next one.